Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make page border other design in Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first open a document. Firstly, going to in the design menu option and go to the page border option and click here art option and click more option. Yes, and choose the any design option and click for OK. So again that others design page border design and go to the page border option and click art option. So any choose design option and click for OK. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.